Good morning, YouTube.
Morning.
Avery back with another episode from Walker's Homesteading. As you guys can see from the description, today we were smoking a pig. Unfortunately, no local farmers near us had any pigs, so we're driving down to Ashland, Virginia to pick one up. I'm joined by my best friend since 04-05 high school days, Cortland High School, shout out, class of 2008 alum. She's down here for the big barbecue we're gonna do. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to follow her below. The Pin Dropper, she is a huge domestic traveler, probably been to all the major cities within the United States. Food recommendations, where to drink recommendations, where to stay recommendations. Follow her page, send her a DM if you have any specific requests. But coolers in the bed of the truck, loaded with ice. We're about to get on the road now, fueled up, so stay tuned, guys.
Let's get it. Cheers.
All right, so we got a pig from the butcher, dressed out, about 110, 120 pounds. Obviously too big for the cooler I brought, so got some ice in the belly, try to keep it between 40 and 50 degrees. We got a 2-hour drive back, so this will definitely last the amount of ice I brought. Gonna get it home, wrap it up good, get some more refrigeration on it. We're gonna start about 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, had to make a quick little pit stop. IB Provisions, one of my all-time favorite places, Charlottesville. Great food, great people. Gonna make this last trek. Got about an hour to go back to good old Central Virginia. What's going on, YouTube? Here we go. We got the fire going. Pit broken down. We're gonna get some nice coals started. Go take care of the pig. Lay her down in some salt. Clean it out real good. Get her on by 12 o'clock. Let's get it.
Fire's rolling. Avery, what's up next?
We're gonna get this pig salted up.
Salt them up. What else we putting on it?
That's it.
That's it. Salt. Salt the pig.
All right, so I'm gonna make a quick mop sauce while the fire is working and making its coals. Apple cider vinegar, apple juice, lemons, light brown sugar, black pepper. Throw it all together, however good that you think it looks. Wait till later, when your pig's almost done. Mop it all the way through the underside of the belly. Get it in the cracks, get it in the crevices. Let that brown sugar, let that lemon zest, let that apple cider, let that apple juice, and let that spicy pepper bring out all those flavors within your pig. Here we go. As you can see, I don't measure. I just know this is the good stuff. I'm gonna stir this up really good, let it sit in the refrigerator. When it's ready, about last 2 hours, hour of the cook, I'm gonna bring it out, start mopping the pig down. Once she's done around that 12, 13 hour mark, Boom, should be ready to go. All right, so here we go. We got the pig butterflied all the way open. Patted it nice and dry. We're gonna come in with some iodized salt. Layer the whole entire internal side of the pig. Get salt in all the cracks and all the crevices. All right, we've got her all salted down. Now we got our ungalvanized rebar to act as a frame. We're gonna tie the hooves in all four corners with some rebar tie. Put her on the pit, belly first for the first 3/4 of the cook, and then flip her over for the last quarter of the cook to get that skin on the backside nice and crispy.
All right, boss man, walk us through what we're about to do.
So we are tying up every hoof, front, back, 2 front and 2 back, along the rebar. Again, the rebar is going to act as our frame to hold the pig on the smoker. We're going to do belly side first, 3/4 through the cook. We're going to switch over, get that back nice and crispy. Get that skin nice and crispy. Cut that skin up, add it into your barbecue. A little fat from it, all the flavor in it. Be good to go.
Locked and loaded, locked and loaded. Stay along with us. We're just beginning. Pig salted, tied up. About to head over, check out the coals. Show me what you're working with. What we got going on, Avery? Nice and hot.
She's hot.
All right.
We're gonna put this fire over the main and most important areas. The hams and the shoulders.
Hammies and shoulders, baby. Hammies and shoulders all day. Y'all know where the good meat's at.
Hams and shoulders.
Hey, hey.
Oh, hey, Kennedy. Oh, hey, Kennedy. What are you doing, KK?
What's up? What's up? Hey.
This girl woke up literally like a second away from your house.
Yeah.
She was asleep for like the last two plus hours.
And we could turn off
Wide open now.
the oven because he was still doing decoration.
What?
Still doing decoration.
Everything else is so strong. What is going on, YouTube? We made it through the night. J Bow threw it back there through the smoke. There she go. Man, what hour are we on?
Started at 11, it's 6:20, so that's 7 hours.
7 hours in.
Full work day.
5 more to go. Smoke, rolling strong through it. No fire-ups or flare-ups. Wood's been burning strong. We've been keeping it in between that 180, 220 range. We had a few jump ups to 300, but just put a few handful of ice chips in there to bring it back down. But it's looking good. I'm feeling confident. We're gonna keep it rolling.
Roll on.
It's light outside. We made it tonight. Sun not quite up yet, but the rooster is crowing and the hens are out. So it's a beautiful day here in the homestead. We're excited for it.
You got it on, Rick?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Go. Woo! That's hot.
It's a little hot.
A little charred.
It's a little hot.
Just had some. 1 point. It's not what it looks like on the outside. It's what it tastes like on the inside. And it's good.
So it got a little crispier than we wanted. We're gonna take that first bit off, but underneath she is still really tender. Look at that. That's a rib right there, falling right off the bone. Get the mop sauce deep in there. We'll be good to go.
Content, babe.
Look at that pig. Look at that pork belly, man.